Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod.
Hey YouTube, I'm really excited with this one. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple HomePod. It's been a long time coming. This was announced 4 or 5 months ago. Pre-ordered mine as soon as I could, and now it's here. Let's get to it. So the HomePod arrived this morning. It's come in a outer box. Open that. Very well protected. And inside we have the Apple HomePod. Very simple packaging, as you can see, with a little pull tab just here to open it up. So pull that open. And then here's the HomePod. This just lifts up to reveal the HomePod inside. So here's the HomePod. It's got a little label on top for the display. Take that off. And let's put it out. See here, the cable's all coiled up. Back to the side for a minute. What else do we have? Pretty simple. Designed by Apple in California, and I expect there'll be some stickers, well, a sticker, some instructions in here. So first impressions, it's certainly a lot heavier than the Google Home and Amazon Echo. Feels really well built, nice material, similar to what you've got on these two. Big question is, how does it sound? I'm going to plug it in now and give it a go. So I'm about to turn it on for the first time. One thing I noticed is the cable is a material similar to the HomePod, very good quality. I've got my iPad next to it, so when I turn it on, the two should pair. So let's turn it on and see what happens. See the top spinning. So it's booting up the first time. Ooh, look at that, the iPad's found it straight away. So now I'll go into setup mode. So setup. Just thinking about it now. It asks me for a room, so let's say it's in the kitchen. Connect. Okay, let's send receive messages. Transfer settings.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say Hey Siri.
Hey Siri.
Let's try it. Say, Hey Siri, what can you do?
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, Hey Siri, play some music.
Hey Siri, play some music.
Okay, here's a personal radio station built just for you, starting with Jax Jones. Remember, anytime you have a question, just say, Hey Siri.
So now the HomePod's unboxed, let's have a quick look at what it can do. Hey Siri, what's the time?
The time is 1949.
Hey Siri, what's the date?
It's Sunday, the 11th of February 2018.
Hey Siri, when did the Winter Olympics start?
It happened from the 6th of February 2014 to the 23rd of February 2014.
Hey Siri, what was the Tottenham Arsenal score?
Tottenham Hotspur were victorious over Arsenal, 1-0 in the North London derby yesterday.
Hey Siri, what am I doing next week?
I'm sorry, I can't access your calendar here.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
The past, present and future walk into a bar. It was tense.
Hey Siri, what can you do?
Try one of these. Say, Hey Siri, play some 90s hip-hop. Hey Siri, play the #1 song from 1988. Or Hey Siri, play this week's top 10 songs.
Hey Siri, play this week's top 10 songs.
Now playing the top 10 songs.
Something else that's lacking at the moment is the ability to play radio. At least that's what I found anyway. So one station I listen to a lot is BBC Radio 1 in the UK. So, hey Siri, play BBC Radio 1.
Playlist Radio 1 playlist now playing.
Hey Siri, stop. So it'll play music, play Radio 1 playlists, but it won't play radio station. So there's no radio. Home control's good. It seems to be very quick. So here's a quick clip of it turning on my light. Hey Siri, landing light off.
Got it.
Hey Siri, landing light on.
All set.
You can see that worked really, really well. Hey Siri, sing me a song.
I don't write rhymes, I write checks. Actually, I don't write those either, but I can play you a song. Just ask.
Hey Siri, what do you think of Amazon?
I think, therefore I am. But let's not put the cart before the horse.
My initial impression is that the HomePod is a very, very good speaker. It plays music brilliantly. However, on the smart side, it's not quite as good as a Google Home and the Amazon Echo yet, but who's to say something better in the future? It's annoying that other services like Spotify aren't built in. Maybe that still come, but knowing Apple, probably not. Thanks for watching. I'm going to put a full review of the HomePod up soon. If you like the video, please make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Peace.